secret for 3 years. At the heart of the most modern motor plant in Europe, behind this door, the newest shape in cars was conceived and became real. This factory planned to build a car utterly new, yet worthy of a long history of fine engineering. Better than anything that had gone before, different from all the others. A car that would look ahead from 1958. So 3 years ago, at the styling manager's desk, began the genesis of a design to meet the tastes of tomorrow. And thus, at first in hundreds of artists' drawings, in conference and comparison, proposal and rejection, the evolution gathered pace of Type PA. It was under that non-committal project title that the newest Vauxhall 6-cylinder models underwent their long development, until, when they were unveiled in Paris on October the 3rd, 1957, they inherited the famous names Velox and Cresta. Gradually, the shape of the future evolves. It becomes a picture in life size, is given depth and perspective, the nearest thing yet to reality. Car stylists must imagine and visualize, the more so because they don't have unlimited freedom. Production and body engineers, power units and suspension designers, all these set limits to their needs. From the artist to the craftsman, from the painting to a blueprint for a meticulously accurate, full-size model. And now, for the first time, the shape of the future takes on solid, three-dimensional form. The first indication of a new, lower conception for a big six-seater car emerges in clay. Here's work for hands of the finest skill. This model must be precise in the most minute particulars, for this is the starting point of the master drawings from which the dies for the production line's presses will be produced. In fact, the model is built inside a big steel fixture, which is 1 great micrometer. A second model of the car must be made as a hollow shell, so that its interior can be built up to full scale. Here's one of the many ways in which facsimiles of interior features are created, starting with a plaster of Paris mold. Resin is applied to the plaster. Sheets of glass cloth are laid in place. They are carefully brushed in position with more resin. It's all left to harden, and out of the mold comes a perfect replica in shape and measurement of the instrument panel in fiberglass. Most of the bright plated parts of a new design are first patterned in wood, bumpers for example. A hammer form is made, real craftsmen's work this, to be used as a pattern for the finished metal part. Some wooden patterns are sprayed with zinc and polished. And some are in fact made in metal, like this radiator grill. Seats are planned to use this new car's 5 foot of interior width and be less than 20 inches from the ground. As the interior parts are made, they are fitted within a wooden replica of the car's shape, called a trim butt. Within it, all the panels, pressings and soft furnishings are assembled.